Hey everybody, we're here on the Revival on Platte project in Denver, Colorado, right across the street from the Mile High Stadium. And behind us, we have one of the most advanced panel operations in Mortenson's history. We are building this 9-story building with 3 types of panels, all coming from our Blue Vera facility. And without further ado, we should just go check it out. I was hoping maybe you can give me just a general overview of what makes this project this project.
Yeah, absolutely. So we are standing on level 2 deck of our Revival on Platte project right now. It's going to be a 200-unit multifamily residential project. We're about 35% of the way complete with it, targeting to be done in Q1 of 2025.
Okay.
Super unique because from level 2 and above, it is a fully prefab panel project completed by Blue Vera. What
makes from stud fabrication to your panels now different than what maybe I'm used to seeing?
Sure. So let me walk you through the whole assembly. So Blue Vera, like you mentioned, they typically just do a full stud assembly. This one is all the way out to the finished face, which is pretty unique. So we have our stud assembly like you normally see, and then we've got our sheathing layer on, and then our air and weather barrier as well. So we've got a peel and stick and then a roll-on product. Sure. And then we get our finished face, which is pretty unique on this project and something Blue Vera hasn't done before. So right here you can see our stucco EFIS assembly. Yep. But we also have a new brick product that's on the facade of the building as well.
So now if I wanted to go dig into the details on how these panels get here and installed, should I go talk to a couple superintendents?
Yeah, let's go find Jeff and Clay and they can walk you through the process.
Right on. Thank you for the time.
Thanks.
So I'm super interested, Clay, in the rough-in. You know, I know there's a lot of opportunity to try to speed up the work and maybe make it easier in the field.
Sure.
If the panels are roughed in. So can you walk me through a little bit of the plumbing rough-in?
Yeah, so as we work our way up the building, all the risers are already coordinated through the BIM process. And so when we get to a floor, before a floor panel gets landed, the plumber goes through and stubs up all of his risers.
So we could go look at this right here, and these are coming out. The panel below us had this sitting here ready to go, and you tie into it.
Yep, so the panel below us has everything in it. That's there. These floor panels get installed. As we come back around on the next level, the plumber will stab in these spool pieces that are already fabbed from Blue Vera.
Sure.
They'll make the connections below.
Yep.
Then Jeff and Juan will land this panel on top, and then they make a simple connection between everything so that all their risers, vents, and drains, water supplies are already connected.
All of that is really impressive, but I bet putting it all together is pretty complicated, and it takes a lot of attention to detail. Probably a few really talented craft workers. Do you got a guy if I wanted to nerd out a little bit?
Yeah, so I've got Jeff Perry.
Right on.
He's the superintendent helping Juan Sanchez, carpenter foreman, put this thing together.
Good deal. All right, thanks again.
Yeah, of course.
I know you got 3 types of panels. Clay walked me through, you got your interior, you got your floors, and you got your exterior. Can you walk me through what it takes to get the interior installed on the job first?
The sequence that we've set up is we're basically building unit boxes like this.
Sure.
We'll build all the unit boxes down the hallway. We'll come back and we'll chase down with all the corridor or the hallway framing.
Okay.
We'll set all of the corridor floor panels.
Yep.
Once that's together, the building is locked together as a unit.
Sure.
And then we start wrapping it with our enclosure panels.
So are they sitting off of clips, or what does that look like? What does the connection for the enclosures look like?
Yep. So the enclosure panels, basically, if you're looking up at a section like this, let's say we were on the outside right here.
Sure.
It is balloon frame, so the stud framing will fly past the floor panel right there.
Okay.
And the connection to hold that back is there's a clip on the inside. There's a clip, and we screw right through the inside of the rim joist right into the exterior stud.
So for those of you watching at home, this was, selfishly, I got a great overview, and then I got a great detailed lesson. Thanks again, Jeff, for doing this. This is an incredible project. I hope you guys all learned something. I certainly did. So thanks again, brother.
Yeah, you got it, man. Anytime.